Hello, how's it going? Thank you so much for checking out this training. I just want to thank Brian Michael so much for inviting me on here to train you. And hopefully, you get tons and tons and tons of value from this. Real quick about me before I start jumping into the training. I have been in either some sort of direct sales or network marketing or online marketing for a long time, like 2005. So I was at 9 years. Um, I was mostly, I did network marketing, but I called leads, and then I did some actual, home meeting stuff, and that was terrible. And now I've been online now for going on 3 years now, and I one of the things that I first started when I started really having some big success with was Craigslist. And so, if you're familiar with Craigslist, they have a lot of rules and stipulations. I kind of figured out the ways around it. So let me just get into uh, I let me tell you like what I've done here. I've generated almost $10,000 just from Craigslist. Obviously, I use other methods. Recruited over 100 different people into my business, and it's just really good new member. Just you could get started for really cheap, and just a way to get leads really quick and start getting sales into your business, especially something that converts or has a trial period or even a free membership. It makes it really 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 easy. So let me share my screen here, and we can get in. So first things first, let's kind of go over some of the things that you'll need for this for doing this Craigslist training. Obviously, you'll need Craigslist, that website. That's pretty easy. You'll need some sort of capture page. This would be the capture page that I'll be using right here. Then you're going to need Photo Bucket or something that works similar to Photo Bucket, right? And uh, and I'll give you an example. This is kind of part of it. And I'll show you the picture, but we'll create another one from scratch. You know exactly how to do it. But so here we go. So this right here is what you'll be doing. You'll be creating one of these, and then actually putting it in Craigslist. And this is just cool to be able to even make something like this. You can throw this on, Facebook as a picture or whatever you want to do. Um, so moving on, the next thing that it's just mandatory as a marketer in general, you're gonna need Jing, which it's Jing, and Jing is amazing. It's a screenshotting software, and it is, if you are a marketer, it's like a prerequisite. You need this because taking pictures from the internet that can't be saved, or taking part of the picture, or you know doing proof. Like if you made a bunch of money, you can now take this and then Jing, your commissions, and then show your commissions off. So it's really, really just necessary to have. So let me show how you use it, and then so yeah, that's it. I'm going to use a Google short link that I created over here. So we'll use this as the link. So let's go over to my web page. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to Jing. So it takes a second to run up. As soon as it pops off, there it is. All right, all right. There we go. So we just need to go there, get down to maybe here. Then you go to your capture image. So that's going to save there. You just go to save on that one. The Jing has a bunch of things that you can do. You put an arrow. So if I wanted to put an arrow right here pointing at it doesn't really matter though because so let's see here, Craigslist. There we go. So all right, that's uploading right there. Now you're going to come over to photo bucket, and you're going to come up here. You choose photo, and you're going to come in here, and I think it's saved. Let's see where it was saved. Boom, Craigslist. All right, so we'll choose. So this is the one that we're looking at. Now we want to go over here. All right, next step is to come up here to edit. Obviously, there's other, if you're more familiar with different programs, there's a ton of different programs. I just like this one, kind of where I started. So, all right, first things first is we want to blur some things out. So we want to blur out, obviously this is we're using the area, so we don't really need that because not everybody's area, you know, is going to be the same, right? This is where I am right now. It's geo-targeting, which is a really cool feature. So you can go like this. And then you probably want to get rid of this because, you know, expiring February 10th, you know, if this ad runs for, you know, another week, then that's going to screw, you know, screw that up. They're going to be like, oh, it's already expired. So then we want to just apply that. So then we want to do tags. All right, now I want to switch up the color. Green always works really good for me. I might have to blur this some more. Okay, so you're gonna caps lock it. There. So click here. All right, so we can apply that. So you can save that, and if it needs to be, if you need to blemish it again, you can actually run it through again. It all depends on how much of a perfectionist you are, right? So let's edit it. So now they can't see, you know, the area or whatever. So that's pretty helpful. You see, I could say 18, right? Who knows? All right, cool. So obviously, the capture page doesn't have the date or the area or anything. It's much easier. You don't have to mess with that. Cool. So now you want to take the HTML. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So now you're going to go find your city, right? So you can pick whatever city you want. It has to be a big city. Oh, let me just say real quick. This is a paid Craigslist ad, so it has to be one of the big cities. So what I'm going to do is I have an event coming up in Nashville. So I will target Nashville. That's the cool thing about this is if you do if you have a big event coming up in your area, you can promote locally for that. Okay, so oh, I think I skipped some things. Let me make sure that you guys see this. So this is what I did. I go down to sales and business development. That seems to be the people that connect with me the most. And then you're going to come up to post. Then you're going to go to job offered. See $25 per category. Come down here to sales. All right, so I'm going to put that URL in here. So then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get my short link, or you could really just go straight to your URL. Sometimes it's bad, just to keep track and different things. A lot of times you guys won't have the tracking capabilities that I have in my links. So, all right, cool. So now so it needs to come in between the quotes. So that will be right there. So what you want to do is come over here and you want to find the system that allows you to generate. I'll just take it off of here, it's all about congruency through the funnel. All right, that won't allow me to do that. Okay, because it's too long, right? So it's cutting it off. Let's play with that. There we go. So specific location, home, postal code, doesn't really matter. Don't call me. Okay, so compensation doesn't really matter. So you want to turn off your map because most likely you're not going to be in your local area unless you're promoting locally. But then you don't want people to know exactly where. This is more for a business if they're actually doing a job. The telecommuting is okay. Okay to highlight for job opportunities for people with disabilities, part time. Yes, no contract, none of that stuff. Okay. Let's make sure. Oh, so my email. Let's see. I think this one is still good. Okay. So continue. Some fields required. Please enter. Okay, I've never seen that before. Um, Posting body, please enter phone number. Its contact information above, not in the post body. Okay, don't have any of that. Um, This is all new to me, so we're learning. Um, hmm. I'm gonna stop this and do